in this 21st century, there are some do's and don'ts when it comes to marriage, when it comes to relationship. Yes, please, why on earth will you allow a guy to constantly, consistently, joyously, enjoyably? Yes, now. I'm just trying to find the right words to fit into the picture, because you just you carry yourself, your whole body, your whole system, respiratory, reproductive, and the likes. Give it to a woman to constantly, having carnal knowledge of you.
John is gonna is he raping her?
And
Having sex with you for 80 years.
I'm trying to be enlightened in this in that aspect. For them to know that, some people they'll be like, no, I'm trying to be spiritual about it.
There's nothing spiritual about it.
Like, a guy was constantly having sex with you for 8 good years, and now he has refused to say yes, I do. And guess what? He paid dowry. He paid.
Automatically they are married now.
He just went ahead to pay the dowry. But they're
you,
not staying together.
Dowry is actually is marriage. So so far the dowry has been paid, you are married.
Forget.
Automatically you are married.
No, not in this case, because now that has eventually landed the man in trouble.
Because he refused to marry her. Or because he refused to take her in his home.
Yes, that is that.
Not married.
This lady, if you check the picture, lady, she's actually a nurse. And the man in the picture is actually a teacher. And they are both elites.
Okay.
The man in question is 28 years old, while the nurse is 26 years old.
Okay.
So the nurse, despite the fact that, okay, she has seen that, okay, this one is not ready to listen, he's not ready to comply. So she took a drastic measure. Drastic situation requires drastic measure, drastic opinion. So she felt, okay, the court is the right place to go. And thank God for the fact that her dowry was paid for. So I think that was what gave her that confidence to go to court. And customarily,
there is no certificate. So going to court is actually wasting a waste of time.
No, she sued. Not that, okay, she's going on marriage issue.
And
she sued the man.
On what basis? Or because he refused to marry her? Because he paid dowry. Okay, what's the certificate?
They had a child together. That, okay, in the course of constantly having sex with her now, she got pregnant and they have a child together. But now the man is not taking the responsibility. That is number one. Yes.
The woman is not even, she shouldn't have put to court. She should have just packed her bags and baggages and go to the man's house and stay. She cannot send her out.
That one is brutal.
And instead of really going to court and still wasting money to pay lawyer, because court cases they keep adjourning, you come back, the cases are going to no.
But not the one.
Pack your bags and baggages and go to the man's house with your child and live there. You cannot say, if he sends you out, leave the child with him and go about your own normal businesses.
But now the man is not taking it lightly. Like, the judge in charge of the case is not taking it lightly. Like, he's trying to say, okay, I'm getting
of course,
to the end of
you
this.
can't take it like because how can you pay somebody's
8
dowry?
years.
I mean, you pay that dowry, you've been dating for 8 years, you've been having sex stuff for that 8
years.
And there was a child between you in the middle of the 8 years, and yet you refuse to allow her to come and live with you. You've married her now. If you know you don't actually have intention of marrying her, you wouldn't pay a dowry. Or probably paying the dowry was under duress. Maybe it was actually coerced into paying the dowry. Maybe because, the lady in question now has a child.
Yeah.
Maybe because she has a child. Maybe that's why the parents of the lady asked him to come and pay the dowry.
Okay, I get
so he might not actually want to, marry her per se. Now, I'm not going to say the lady is at fault. I'm not going to judge you, but then you made a mistake. Or it's a mistake. No, I shouldn't have allowed you to get to the point of having a child for 8 years. And what are you guys doing for 8 years? I mean, like, you guys are just going without, just like a car going somewhere without a bearing.
Without no destination at all. And guess what? She even made it known to the extent that if the guy, he just come around when it's honey.
Exactly.
And
See
she
you
too
as,
now. The man has seen the nurse like that.
as Sarewa,
Yes.
Shaliwa.
Quickie. As a
Anytime.
form of quickie. Anytime, any day, I can knock.
Yeah. And
Yes, you don't want to perform your responsibility as a husband. You don't want to fulfill that right.
No, don't blame the guy. He might not want to marry her.
Then
It's
why do you
because
keep
the
having
child-
sex with her?
Well, it's the girl that you will actually say, why do you keep opening your legs for somebody who is not ready to
But
marry
the man
you?
to keep calling. This is not easy.
See, if you see, I think
Mm-hmm.
if a lady does not want to do something,
Yes.
she won't.
She
Trust
won't,
me.
no matter what you do.
She won't. It's because you actually wanted it. That's why you keep, as allowing him.
If she does not even love the man, she won't go to court.
Exactly.
I think
you
she's
are-
the one on the high side of love.
Yes, you are the one that wants to marry. The guy doesn't want to marry you. That's just it. Because if you
Yes.
refuse him sex, you people would have gone your separate ways. Trust me. You would have
For
moved on
years.
with his life. You
That
would
place,
have moved on.
no, she's claiming that the man. Do you know what she's claiming on that? Because of this man, she turned down series of marriage proposals, and she could count up to 10.
She's in love. Or maybe she doesn't want to, marry somebody else with the fact that she has a child.
Yeah, she made it that people will blame her that why did she take her time to get married to the person she gave birth to. Now what really vexed the woman in question was for the fact that she turned down my proposal because of the man, and now the man trying to misbehave. That was what triggered her action.
The man is not worth. It's not worth your
Yes.
You're going up and down, going to court. So I don't know.
From this whole saga, the only thing I can bring out from it is don't engage in premarital sex.
Please engage in premarital sex, but use your sense.
From Busayo's end.
Why are you mentioning my name?
No,
Don't
you are
mention
dishing out
I'm not
from
dishing
your own
out anything.
advice.
I'm not
You are
saying-
dishing out from your own advisor's corner. But for me, don't engage in premarital sex. Because these are one of the consequences.
If you must engage in it, use your senses. Use your brain.
Yes,
Carry your
so-
brain along with it. I mean, for 8 years.
That was too deep.
You
It be
8
things.
years. You don't know what people have done within that 8 years in a relationship. Do
You really tried. I give it to you. Kudos, So, to crown the whole story short.
Please use your senses in everything you are doing. Carry your brain along
With you.
Yes, don't use your heart alone, because if you use your heart alone, you will be the one that will suffer it.
Nobody will tell you.
Exactly. But then carry along your brain with your heart. Let everything work
With the soul and body.
Let everything work concurrently, simultaneously together.
And gigantically.
Ajumoke talk down, not be me.
Okay, now. I don't hear you. Well, to ladies out there, please let's take caution. Let's be very, very cautious.
Yeah, jokes apart. Let's be very, very, very cautious. And
Yeah,
let's apply wisdom in our relationship, in our love life. It's important. It's
Yeah.
very, very important.
And yes, so don't forget to always like, comment, and share, and also what you feel, or your own view as regards this issue. Do you think the lady should have
Just let it go.
she should have let go? She should just still hold on to that man, because they can have a very happy ending. Yes. So yeah, that is it. I
Romeo
still
and
remain your
Juliet.
host. Now, from Busa, you say Romeo and Juliet. You guys can jolly just come together. But for
Come
me,
body together.
yes, I still remain your host, Jumoke Abiodun, your one and only Melanie Pompey.
And I'm still Oluwabusayo.
We are saying bye.